Hey, this is Tiffany with Pronto Body Shop, and welcome to this month's edition of the Taco Report. We're actually at Relax Axe Throwing here in El Paso at 808 Montana Avenue. And if you don't know what it is, come on inside and let's check it out because it includes axes and booze. I'm here with Jillian. Jillian, how did the Relax come about?
It's actually a funny story. So I went to culinary school, and I graduated about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, going on 2 years. And I actually was saving up for a food truck, so I was like, I'm gonna open my own food truck, it'd be fun. I wanna have my own business. Then we went to California for my daughter's birthday. We took her to Disneyland, and we got back home one night a little bit early. We decided, hey, let's see what we can do. Of course, I had been following her for quite a while. To my surprise, we were 3 miles away from an axe throwing place. So I told my wife, get ready, let's go, it's gonna be fun. She wasn't too enthusiastic about the surprise, you have to dress for the occasion. So we wind up going, and we walk in, and you're kind of thrown off. You're like, what is this? There's cages and axes. He told us BYOB, we got a 6-pack. It was really fun. We wound up having a blast. Got to talking to the guy, and I was like, dude, I can't stop thinking about how awesome this would be in El Paso. We had some more options of, to be able to enjoy a beer and kind of like mirror what Topgolf does. You're doing an activity while drinking. And
always some of my favorite things.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it always makes it a little bit more exciting when you have a cold one in your hand, I guess, right? So definitely, we came back, and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And I just went and took the plunge, got rid of the food truck, diverted to this, and it's been great. El Paso really has started to love it.
So you can throw 2 at a time, that's okay. If you stick one, you gotta take it out before you can stick another one. So as long as there's an axe stuck on the board, you cannot throw one. If you guys want to get competitive or just keep score, our point system's right here in the corner. You can do best out of 2, you can play up to 21, you can play horse with our name Relax, you can do regulation throwing, where you throw 5, switch, throw 5, on your 10th throw, you chalk clutch. If you're going for the blue dots, worth 8 points, so if you're losing, you can come up, or you can make up your own game. If you want to stand behind the yellow line, I'll do a demonstration.
Okay. I don't know. Wait, I feel like we need some competition here now. Wait. Okay, Jillian, so tell me what else besides drinking beer and throwing axes can we expect here at Axe?
Okay, so we're looking at provide an entertainment experience for pretty much everything in your life. So one of the ones we like to talk about is divorce parties. We're looking at host a divorce party.
I love it.
So it's a little bit different. People are always like, yeah, we can put a picture, but we're gonna actually try to take it a step forward. We actually had projectors installed, so that way we can actually play the wedding video on each of these circles. So when we come in and your whole family.
I love it.
So that's an experience in itself. We're actually looking to host our first. We're gonna help go ahead and do it. First gender reveal party. So you would come in. We'd have balloons right here with the diamond.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes, and they all take turns throwing until they reveal the gender.
And how about for businesses? Is there anything for businesses like myself?
So definitely, we have found that a lot of people would like to do their team builders here. So we've had some people coming in, big old groups. It's amazing. They have fun. They do their team builders, corporate events. We do have the trailers, so we're actually able to go to them if needed. So yeah, definitely.
Do not suggest that your boss's picture should be on the bullseye if you're doing a team building. I'm just going to say that.
Yeah. That's such a good idea. We'll put a video.
Oh, thanks. You just
Something
make
a little
one
bit
up.
different.
Well, that's awesome. So how long have y'all been open now?
So we're going on 6 months on the 11th. So it's been great. The city's really taken to it.
Yeah, El Paso is wonderful about supporting small local businesses.
It really is.
It definitely is. So y'all make sure that if you're here locally in El Paso, that y'all come out and check out Relax Axe Throwing Studio. It is amazing and it is so much fun. Jillian, thank you so much for allowing us to be here today. I really appreciate it.
I appreciate it.